how to pay with Klarna on WayFair. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can pay with Klarna on WayFair. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your WayFair account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see different products, different items that you can get at affordable prices on Wayfair. And then to pay with Lana, you'd have to add items to your cart. So just go ahead to your cart, click on the cart icon, and then move to the lower right corner and click on checkout now. So once you've done that, you'll be directed to the checkout page. On this page, originally, the first page or the first step is to add your shipping address if you've not done that already. Well, I have done that, okay? And if you've not done that, go ahead and add your shipping address, and then you'll be brought to your payments info page where you can see Wayfair credit card, Wayfair financing, add a credit or a debit card, and then you can see Lana for interest-free payment, etc. Just select it, and then you would have to select your method of payment. All right, how do you want to pay instrumentally? Because whenever you're using Lana, it means that you would like to pay instrumentally. So you have to pay in 4 installments, and these are the amounts to be paid. And if it's satisfactory, click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next page. Or yeah, on this page you can see delivery services. You can see the time you'd get your product. Then move to the right side and then click on continue with Lana, and then you'd wait for the page to load. Once that's loaded, you can now see another prompt on the middle of the screen. Click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to connect your Lana account with your Wayfair account. So go ahead, make the connection, enter in the email address that you've used to register, and make your payments. And then just like that, you'll be able to pay with Lana on Wayfair. So that is it. So ensure you have an account with Lana already to make it a lot easier. Thank you, and ensure you have a happy shopping.